set up LLM in local. How? First, I'm opening ChatGPT and giving prompt. See, I have given the request to ChatGPT. I got the response. Same. See, this is the backend LLM is there. This in our laptop, how to set up. First, open CMD and connect SSL. See, I'm using the SSL only, Ubuntu. If you don't know, you can install and simply SSL install, you go ahead. I have given the steps to you in GitHub. GitHub link I will give you in description. See, right now I am in Ubuntu Mission. Simply your name -a. Okay. Then go here in GitHub. GitHub I have given the steps to you in README file. You can go through it, follow the steps according to that. By end, you will get the local LLM setup, and you can generate the prompts from your laptop only. See the first step, update the system. This is I have done already. Install the Python. Python is mandatory. And the second is and virtual environment. See, as per best practices, go for virtual environment everywhere using the Python. That is logically differentiate of your project. Check the versions. Okay, done. Pip also installation done. Pip is for to install your softwares. Create virtual environment. Right now, I am in Ubuntu Mission only, creating virtual environment. That's not mandatory here. If you don't have to create in virtual environment, go ahead and directly. But always use for virtual environment is the better. That is for isolated your project. Okay. Created AAVNV. AANV, that is I have given my virtual environment name. ChatGPT GPT4All need to install. To pip install, that is I have done. Okay. Next step is to PyTorch need to install. If you want to more performance, go ahead. Otherwise, this is optional, but it will take the time up to 10 minutes. It will take, not mandatory. After that, Python code you need to return. That's code I have given to you already. And go here and open local underscore a, open anything. See here the from import GPT4All. In Python we need to import the libraries. That is the GPT4All I am importing. That is the model, this one. I am using the CPUs, not GPUs. Here chart conversation is there. See, this is the prompt input. We have to give to LLM input and respond. Model have to generate here. Up to maximum 200 tokens. I have given the maximum limit. What is the token? Token is equal to and 4 words only. Okay, it coming to local. Already I have is there. I am connecting to our model, LLM model. Go for AI.py. See, when you give this command, you will connect to your LLM model. Right now it is connecting to LLM. See, model loaded. This is the version. See, these all are things you need to ignore. Because of this first two, I am using the CPU only. In Python code you have seen, it is expecting the GPU. That's the reason given. Warning, limit the warning. Right now I will give the prompt. Okay. Go down. Just the same prompt what we have given in ChatGPT. Okay, go through the steps according to you. If you have any problem is there, just comment it. I will respond. Otherwise, you can go to use virtual machine also. You can take the more GPUs one if you want. Then your respond you will get quickly. But coming to here, see, I'm using my laptop only. That is, I have connected as a WSL only. Then that is will decrease my CPU. That's the reason it will respond. It will slow. If you want, you can go to a virtual machine. You can take it, and you can generate from here anything. Suppose in Kubernetes YAML and Docker, according to what you are using the ChatGPT, it will give you. This is in 4 GB level, small SLM I have downloaded. When you suppose this is the command only. When you give the first time, it will automatically download from the internet to your LLM, small LLM we will download. Just wait a couple of seconds. Yeah,